Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Juan Pacina. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel, Jump Into Pacina. Today I'm going to be doing another worship keyboard tutorial, and today's song is going to be Won't Stop Now by Elevation Worship. Came out approximately like 8 months ago. Video right now currently, as the moment of this video being recorded, has over 3.2 million views. Powerful song, not much training on it, so I wanted to be able to make an easy YouTube tutorial for anybody who wants to learn how to do this song. Now this song is done by a male lead and is in the key of A major, 4/4 time, and the BPM according to multitracks.com is 122 BPM. Okay, so the intro has 8 measures of A, just holding that A before it actually starts halfway into the intro, doing the same chord progression as all of the verses. So, the intro, I'm going to play it once, and then I'm going to break it down. Intro goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the intro melody. Now I'm going to break it down. So I'm going to slow it down. Well, before I slow it down, I'm going to just let you break down the chord structure. First, we got the first chord is an A. 4 beats of that. Then it's a D. 4 beats of that. Back to A, and that's 2 measures. So if you're going to be counting, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then it's F sharp minor, 1 measure of that, which is 4 beats. E major, 4 beats of that, and then 2 measures of D. And that's 2 measures. So 2 measures of D's, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play you the chord progression. It goes, and I'm going to slow it down a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. D, 1, 3, 4. A again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3. F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 1, 2, 3, 4. And D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it repeats that same chord progression to go into the verse. So the intro melody, really lovely. I'm going to slow it down. It goes. Now, the last note, where it hits, it depends on which chord you're on. So, when we first played that melody, we're starting it in the A chord. And A, remember, has A, C sharp, and E. So the melody goes. When it hits down to the lower note, by that time we go down to this note, to the F sharp, we are already in the key, not in the key, sorry, we're in the D major chord. So in the D major chord, it has D, F sharp, A. So it lands on the F sharp to not clash, you could say, or have dissonance with the actual chord. So it goes F sharp, and then it repeats again. But since A is being sustained for 2 measures, instead of landing on F sharp, it lands on the E. So F sharp minor. Now the next chord is E, so it lands on E again. And then you could land on F sharp back again, since it's the same chord right there. So basically, hopefully that was easy to understand on how to do the intro for the song. Now I'm going to show you how to do the verses. And I'm going to start from the intro, leading into the verses. Remember, that intro chord structure is the same chord structure for the verses. All of them, all of the verses. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I give you glory for all you brought me through. And now I'm ready for whatever you want to do. Verse 2, I'm moving forward to follow after you. And now I'm ready for whatever you wanna do. And then we're gonna go into the chorus. So the chorus goes like this. I'm gonna break down the chord structure for you guys. So the first chord is gonna be A, then B minor, then A, then it's F sharp minor. We want you, Lord, like never, E, B4. And then it repeats again. Your presence is an open door, which is A, B minor, then A. But here's something interesting. Instead of going to the F sharp, you're gonna be going to the D chord, but right before the D, you're gonna do what's called a passing chord, which is you're gonna play the same A, but now instead of the A on the bottom, you're gonna play an F sharp. A C sharp on the bottom, making it an A over C sharp, which beautifully leads you right into the D chord. So I'm gonna repeat that. From your presence is an open door the second time around. So your presence is an open door, then the A over C sharp. So come now, Lord, that's D, and then B minor and A. Now, if you play the normal triad, which is building the chord by just 3 notes, you're gonna see that you're gonna get a little bit of dissonance with the melody because, even though the chord structure is very beautiful, very simple, Elevation Worship does use a lot of sevens, major sevens, and the nines. So you're gonna hear sometimes, for example, some come now. It's not wrong. It's an actual chord that's called a D major seventh. So come now, like never before. Very simple. You could build your chord to match the melody. I like doing that. It makes it have a little bit more color and makes it sound a little bit more, you could say, mature and like you're not making a mistake. So if the melody is singing right here, I heavily avoid clashing with it. So instead of, so come now, if that's the melody, I'm not going to be playing this chord. Because as you heard, as I sang the C sharp and play the D, it gives it that sound, and that's not what we want. So now I'm going to do the whole chorus sung so that you guys can get the idea. So we're going to go from verse 2. 1, 2, 3, moving forward to follow after you. And now I'm ready for whatever you want to do. Now we're going to go to the chorus. Your presence is an open door. We want you, Lord, like never before. Now again, your presence is an open door. A over C sharp. So come now, Lord, like never before. And then what they do to transition from the chorus to back to the verses, to verse 3 and verse 4, they sustain that A and they do that intro melody. And then you go, in every season, your grace has been enough. And I'm believing the best is yet to come. And then verse 4. Okay, after that you go back to the chorus. So now let's talk about the bridge. The bridge is very different. It kind of has like the same type of feel musically to like the song Do It Again, the bridge of Do It Again. So it's a very powerful bridge, and it's an awesome declaration. All right, so the instrumental leading to the bridge is very simple. Now, you're going to have a D. You start with the D chord. Now, D is going to be held for 7 beats. So 1 full measure of D, and then on the second measure, you're going to hold it for 3, and then on the last beat is going to be an F sharp minor, and then on the third measure is going to go to E, and again 7 beats of E. So that'll be 1 full measure of E, and then On the second measure, 3 beats of E. And then on the fourth beat, A over C sharp. And then it repeats to D. Now, as you can see on the top of my screen that I have breaking it down to you. And remember, every slash means a beat, and the chord already is a beat. So it's very simple. I'm gonna now demonstrate it to you guys so that you guys can see how it goes. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, F sharp minor, E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the instrumental lick to lead into the bridge. It goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to break it down. So the melody, that little melody line is this. It's A, B, C sharp, and E. And you start it on beat 3 when you are approaching, leading into that D chord. So it goes 1, 2, 3. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The next part is B, C sharp, B. And that's going to be played at the end of 3. So that's going to be played on the end of 3. Now what does that mean? It's going to go 1, 2, 3, and. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So now I'm gonna do it together, all slow, in a slower tempo. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So once you could vamp the instrumental, you can do as many times as you feel. You don't have to do exactly like the CD. When you go into I Know Breakthrough Is Coming, you can still do that melodic line, but the chord structure stays the same. It's up to you if you want to omit it, if you want to add it. So it goes like, so let's go one time instrumental leading to the bridge. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leading to the bridge. I know breakthrough is coming. By faith, I see a miracle. My God made me a promise and it won't stop now. I know breakthrough is coming. By faith, I see a miracle. My God made me a promise and it won't stop now. And basically, that's how you do the bridge. And then you can go back to the chorus if you want to break it down, or if you just want to, play the instrumental of the bridge again. And it's really up to you guys. You don't have to follow what the CD does. You guys can, if you do everything what the CD does, then you're singing honestly somebody's interpretation of that worship. You guys, you can grab these songs, but add your own flavor, add your own style, add your individuality. So guys, hopefully that helped you. Hopefully that was able to be easy to understand this tutorial. If there was anything that I need to work on, leave a message, leave a comment, in the comment area. If you like the video, like it, share it to your friends, subscribe. Thank you guys. Leave me a comment to give me song suggestions of what you would like for me to teach you how to do. And in the future, I will be teaching you how to transpose these songs for your voice. Because sometimes, yeah, we know like in the key of A, for this song, it may be high for a male voice, so you might want to take it down to the key of G. Or if you're a woman, maybe you want to sing it higher than that. You want to sing it in the key of C or in the key of D. It's really up to you guys. So soon I'm going to be making a video on how to teach you how to transpose a song for your voice. Okay? All right, thank you guys. Until next time.